What's going on, guys? It's Zach Martinez, realtor at Simply Vegas, Chuck at Screwswalk Group, and today we are in the master plan community Cadence, located in the city of Henderson, taking a look at a Toll Brothers development called Everleigh. This is going to be a tour of their Layton floor plan, and this Layton has their modern craftsman elevation. So for those of you that don't know, the elevation essentially is just the exterior appearance. So let's take a look inside. So this model has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,406 square feet, and as you saw walking up, a 3-car garage. If you'd like a 4th bedroom, you do have an option to add that as well. The starting base price for the Layton is going to be $586,995. And of course, that's just the base price. So after you select your options and upgrades, you should expect to add at least another 15 to 20% on top of that, depending on what upgrades and options you do choose. So we are here in bedroom number 3. Seems like it's about 11 by 11. You've got a normal closet in the back. And to the left right here, we do have a coat closet. They have it locked up right now just because it's being used as a model. They're storing some things in there, but you get the idea. And in most new homes, we're going to see a lot of these smart thermostats, a lot of smart home technology being built into these new homes. And here we are in the first bathroom. All right, let's get out of this bathroom. And here we go into the second bedroom. Like the other one we just looked at, we're working with about 11 by 11, so pretty standard size. So you can see we've got ceiling fans and recessed lights in the ceiling, which really help keep this bright. I will say I like how wide these hallways are. Some homes that you see here, they have really, really narrow hallways, but this keeps it nice and open. To the right over here, we have our half bathroom. So we have our dining room right here. Nice little wet bar in the back. And right next to it, we've got our flex space. So this is being modeled as an office, but if you wanted to, this would be your 4th bedroom. So the only thing that would be different here, they'd add a closet, and then of course you'd have a door right there at the front. Love this little spot right here. Might be the favorite part of the house for me. Right here to the right, you've got your access into the garage. And it looks like here in the model, they've got a little brick accent on this back wall. Here in the model homes, they lock the garage doors, so you can't get into it. Usually they're hiding paint, flooring, whatever the case may be. And then we've got our laundry room. Really nice big laundry room. So you can see you've got oversized washer and dryer, nice sink. And we've got tons of cabinets over here. Lots of cabinet space for storage. Put all your detergent, towels, whatever you need. And then of course you've got your washer and dryer. Still plenty of space if you really needed to put anything else in here. And of course, security system. All you need to do is get that activated once you close on a home here. Here's my actual favorite part of the house. Kitchen and living room area. Let's just take a look at this. Wow. Right off the bat, I could say I love how much natural light we've got coming in. So the back of the house is facing east. Afternoon time right now, so we're gonna get a lot of afternoon sun. And you know what? My personal preference is usually white cabinets, but I think these black cabinets look great. We've got sort of a light gray quartz countertop here, and then our stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. And it all just goes beautifully together. So you've got the LEDs under the cabinets, really helps bring everything to life. Lighting for me, I think, is huge. Here on the island, we've got our sink and our dishwasher. So I love that this is in the island, so you're not facing away from all your guests when you have them over and you got to wash some dishes. And then, of course, your pendant lights hanging above the island. And to the left, we've got a really nice KitchenAid refrigerator. Nice big pantry. Take a look at this. And let's walk over here to the living room. All right, let's take a look at the back over here. Got a casual dining area. Of course, if you wanted something bigger, you'd be able to fit that in the formal dining room. Before we go into the backyard, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Lots of natural light. Love that we have sliders right into the backyard directly from the primary. Kind of have a bit of a rustic industrial look with these light fixtures here. Here's the primary bathroom. All right, let's take a look into the water closet. And taking a look at the rest of the primary bathroom. So I'm not a bathtub guy. Love how this looks though. I definitely wouldn't mind seeing this every time I walk into here, but this is an upgrade. So if you choose not to have a bathtub, there is an option for that. You could just have the shower. I believe that shower would be configured differently, and the countertop for where these double sinks are would be shortened just a bit. Shower would slide in right about where this sink is. It's kind of weird how they configure it, but the architects do their magic and they make it all work out. All right, let's take a look in the shower. And then here we have a nice big walk-in closet. All right, let's make our way back into the main area of the house so we can take a look at the backyard. A lot of people have asked me why they didn't just meet the sliders in the corner right there, but the engineering to be able to have that happen without the support is just so expensive. It's not practical for a home like this, but I mean, you open these sliders up all the way, you're not gonna have any issues. So you've got your pull equipment. I like what they've done with this backyard. The model looks great, but you got to remember with the new home, they're not going to come like this. You've got a beautiful pool. Love the design on this, but yeah, on the new home, it's just going to be a dirt lot. So all the lots here are about the same size. You can expect about the same size regardless of where you pick your lot. So this shows perfectly what you can do back here. We got a view of the rest of Cadence from back here. Lovely. So that pretty much does it, guys. You have any questions, any comments, leave them below. If you would like to view this, or if you have any more questions about any of the models in this development, shoot me a text, shoot me a message. Love to chat, all right? Take care. See you guys next time.